So if you want to improve your website design or want to add a custom cursor to your WordPress website, then watch this video. So as you can see, I have added a cursor like this. Whenever I move my mouse cursor, it will follow a gradient trails to my mouse cursor. So it looks cool. Now let's check a different cursor effect. Here as you can see, we have a bubble that is moving, and whenever I move my mouse, it will follow my mouse cursor like this. So it's cool. Then we have a new effect like this. So for this, you need to install this fake cursor plugin to your WordPress website. I will include the plugin link in the description. Once you install this plugin, you will see a settings like this where you can add different custom cursor effect. So you can click on here, and here it will move the cursor in a straight line. You have a duo circle effect like this, and then you have a bubble effect like this, and then we have line effect. So it will create a line like this and it will auto fade. So that's good. And we have the rise effect. It will rise a star here. We have a drop effect like this. So you can add various effects to your mouse cursor using this plugin. So in free version, you can use either cursor effect, keyboard effects, or screen effect. So let me remove the cursor effect for now, and let me go to the keyboard effects. So here we have the sparkle key option. So you can see we have the animation like this. We have bubble key option. So if you type anything on your website, it will display that word in bubble. And then we have ink keys like this. So let me enable this bubble option and hit save changes. Now let's go to the website and refresh this page. Now let me type something on my website. So let me search for something like this. And as you can see, it will display bubble effect while I type on the keyboard. And then we have a screen effect like this. So let me remove the keyboard effect for now. And let's go to screen effect. You have snowfall, and then you have morph grid or swirl or color borrower. So let me enable the snowfall effect, hit save changes, and let's refresh this page. And as you can see, we have a snowfall effect in our website. So I like the cursor one, so I will remove all these and I will enable a cursor effect. So I like this gradient trails. Let me hit save settings and refresh this page. As you can see, we have a gradient trails like this. So this is how you can add different type of cursor effects to your WordPress website using a free plugin called fake cursor. So I will include the plugin link in the description. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button. Thank you.